What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can jailbreak your iOS 12.4 device, whether it's your iPhone, iPad, or pretty much any iOS device on iOS 12.4, or even, 12.4 or 12. So, first thing you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to, we're going to be jailbreaking with Uncover, so you're just going to want to download the link. Link number 1 wouldn't work for me for some reason, so I just used download link 2, so you're just going to push it, and then once it prompts you to, you're just going to tap install. But I've already have it installed, so I'm just going to head straight to the app. And so one thing I forgot to mention though, you do need to have airplane mode on and Wi-Fi and everything off before doing this. I don't know why, but it prevents it from crashing. So really quickly, do not push Uncover quite yet, just make sure you have airplane mode off. Okay, so once you've started, it might say get stuck at step 1 for a little bit. If so, sometimes you may need to close out of the app and then go back in and then try it again. Alright, so it says snapshot, renamed, blah blah blah. You just push OK and your device will reboot. Okay, once it's done rebooting, just head straight back over to Uncover once again, and we're just gonna push jailbreak again. So push it again, and this time it should complete the jailbreak process. Now be patient, because this part is going to take the longest. So after that, you should see this saying jailbreak completed, and this is going to give you a long list of words. You can just push OK, and your device will reboot. After your device is done rebooting, you should see that you should now have Cydia on your device. If you do not have Cydia on your device, you may have to do what I did, and you may have to go back into Uncover, and you may have to go to settings, and you may have to check reinstall Cydia, and then you can push jailbreak again. But that didn't happen for me. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, smash that like button, and I'll see you soon.